Hello. Today, we'll be going over how to use Honorlock with a universal third-party exam as a student. For this demo, I'll be using the Canvas Learning Management System. To start, please navigate to the Honorlock tab within your course. If you do not already have the Honorlock extension installed onto your Chrome browser, then please take a moment and read over Honorlock's terms of service and privacy policy. Once you have read and agreed, you can check the box and click Get Started. You will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store, where you can add Honorlock to your browser by selecting Add to Chrome. Once you read over the extension details, you'll need to click Add Extension. Now Honorlock has been added to Chrome. Please navigate back to your course tab. You'll now see a list of all the active exams within your course that are enabled with Honorlock. Locate the third-party exam that you would like to take, and then press the blue Launch button. Once you've initiated the exam start, you will see Honorlock's Data Collections and Use Information page. This contains our exam taker privacy notice and Honorlock's terms of service. Once you have read, authorized, and agreed to these items, you may continue to the system check. The system compatibility check is an optional check that will run a diagnostic on your device to let you know if your operating system, Chrome browser version, and internet speed are up to date and compatible with Honorlock. Below the system check are the exam guidelines. This will tell you any specific setting that your test provider has allowed or not allowed for this exam. Anything allowed will appear in the column on the left. If your test provider has granted the use of any specific websites during the exam, a list of URLs will appear in the Allowed Websites section. You will be able to view these guidelines during the exam. They are located along the bottom in the Honorlock toolbar. The Review Authentication settings will let you know if this test will be recording your screen and if a student photo, ID check, or room scan are required in the pre-exam authentication steps. When you're ready for the pre-exam authentication steps, please select Begin Authentication. A separate window will pop up on your screen. If your exam has specific URLs that are allowed, a message will appear asking you to close all tabs that are not allowed. If BrowserGuard is turned on for this exam, some information about BrowserGuard will appear for you to review before continuing. Once you review and understand the app's privacy policy, you may continue to face detection. Please select your desired front-facing webcam and take a centered photo of yourself in a well-lit testing environment. Next, you'll need to take a picture of your ID to be verified. You may use a government or institution-issued ID, such as a driver's license or school ID. The name on the ID must match the name that you registered for the course with. If you have any issues with verifying your ID, please reach out to Honorlock support for manual verification. Now, you'll be prompted to record a room scan. Please attempt to capture as much of your testing environment as possible to confirm that it complies with the exam guidelines. Once you've recorded a proper room scan of the testing environment, submit it and proceed to the screen recording step. In order to share your screen, click the preview box of your entire screen. The share button will not be clickable until the screen is selected. Now it is time to access your third-party platform. Please click the link provided by your instructor or navigate to your third-party platform in a new tab. Once you've signed into your account, please locate your exam. When you are on your exam page, select the buttons I have found my exam and then Unlock Exam. This will allow Honorlock to securely insert the password into the field. Once the password has been inserted, you may start the exam. If you have any questions or run into an issue during your exam, please feel free to reach out to Honorlock support. A chat bubble will appear on the bottom right of your Exam in Progress tab. This will connect you with a support agent in real time, and we are available 24/7. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and good luck on your exam.